Hello dear Cancer, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly reading for 22nd September till the 28th. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see what's happening in your life. This is a general reading, remember, for Sun, Moon, Rising, Cancer. So please do check out your birth chart. You have got the 5 of Suns and the 9 of Moons in your career. And you've also got the 7 of Moons and the Moon card in your love life. Or personal relationships, you can say that. Alright. I do feel that this week in your career, you're going to celebrate something, however small or big your success is. It can be you getting a new job, you getting a promotion, you getting an incentive, you getting a bonus, you getting more customer or profit, but something is worth celebrating this week. I also see that you have dealt with tough competitions in your field, whether that's an exam that you were preparing for or anything else, job or business. But this week, success will be yours. You will be the chosen one this week, no matter how tough the competition is. So if you're thinking of applying for some job, change of job, promotion, do apply. Because no matter how tough the competition is, like I said, you will be the winner. The company will choose you, your clients, your customers will choose you. You will get that success. So it's a very good card which does talk about rivalry but also talks about success. I also see that there's going to be jealousy that you're going to attract this week. People around you will be very jealous of you because you are getting that success, that bonus, that money, which probably they were eyeing on, right? So please make sure that you're not boasting about it. You're not overconfident about it. You're not rubbing your success in other people's face. Stay humble so that you can avoid all the evil eye that is going to come to you. All right. Silently celebrate your success. Be happy in your heart. Only celebrate it with the trustworthy friends and family. Alright? Do not share too much information or post much on social media. Now, in your love life, I do see that you have really high expectations from your partner. Like you have made that ideal person or ideal situation in love, and probably things are not going to be so smooth in your love life. If you are hoping for a perfect partner, perfect relationship, perfect friendship, and in laws, maybe that's not going to be the case this week. This week, you're going to face a lot of challenges because I do see that the people that you're dealing with have hidden intentions. They do not have your best interest, and there will be somebody who will try to deceive you. They could be with you for your power, for your money, for your status, right? But not really there for love. Somebody can be, just time passing with you without any intention of giving you the commitment or the loyalty or the long term marriage plans that you want them to give you, right? So please be cautious. This is a card of caution from the moon, which means that there could be sudden changes in your life. Sudden realities might surface, sudden truths might show themselves, which actually will make you change your decision, right? Changing a decision whether you really want to be with such a person or not, whether to end a relationship like that. I also see that you could be traveling or you're this week or you're planning to travel for personal uh, reasons. Okay, it can be leisure, it can be work, your own personal work. But I do see travel plans, flights especially, right? You taking a flight somewhere. I also see that, you are living in a dreamland and probably you need a wake up call is the message that I'm getting. Like wake up, like get a reality check. Like they are not like that, right? Or life is not like that. Not everything is hunky dory, right? There will be ups and downs. Do a reality check. That is what the kind of message I'm getting. Your intuition will also be very strong this week, Cancer. I also see that your dreams will be very strong this week. So kindly, whenever you get a dream, please take a pen and paper and try to write it down because it will be helping you and guiding you along the way. Maybe helping you in telling which person is telling the truth and not and what decision to make. So please follow your intuition whenever you are stuck this week. This will really help you in navigating the way. So this was your weekly reading. If you guys resonated with it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have very specific questions on your mind which are not answered in this general reading, you can always book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings, rituals and counseling sessions as well. So check out the description box, and if you would like to make any booking or know the prices, you can directly email me at my personal email ID, which is astha@gmail.com, or you can directly follow and DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. All my charges are very budgeted. Okay, there are so many services which are available under 1,000 rupees. Yes, so check that out. I also take audio video call sessions, but the slots are very limited since it's going to be half an hour and 1 hour call sessions. So please make a booking in advance so that your reading can happen the same day. All right. So this was a weekly reading. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe before leaving. Take care of yourself. I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.